Good morning, all of you, my dear students. Today we will talk about digestion process in the human being. Dear students, as you know, digestion is a very complex process. It is very important process. It is very necessary for the survival of the human being. Digestion is given in 10th class as well as in 12th class. So, both class how to study digestion. Dear students, before talking about digestion in detail, we have to know that what is digestion. Digestion is a process by which complex food components are converted into simpler food component. Complex food components are converted into simpler food component. What is the meaning from complex food component and what is the meaning of simpler food components? Dear students, our body cannot cannot absorb complex food components, so these complex food components have to be converted into the simpler food components. And what are complex food components? Protein, carbohydrate, nucleic acid, lipid, these all are complex food components and they are converted into the simpler food components by the help of the digestive system. Okay, so you can guess how this system is very important to us. Now here you can see the diagram of human digestive system. Here it this wall, it is the human digestive system, and this is alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is a long tube, 9 meter long tube. It is extended from mouth to the mouth to the anus. Okay, so alimentary canal is the main organ of the digestive system, and we will talk about different parts of alimentary canal. First part of alimentary canal is mouth. Second part of alimentary canal is mouth cavity. Third part of alimentary canal is esophagus. Fourth part of alimentary canal is stomach. Okay. Then liver. In the liver, then gallbladder. After that, small intestine. Then large intestine. Large intestine. Okay. So these are different parts of the human digestive system. Okay, after that, as I told you that complex food components are converted into the simpler food component. So protein is a complex food component which is converted into amino acid. Lipid is complex food component which is converted into the fatty acid and cholesterol. Carbohydrate is complex food component, it is converted into the glucose. Nucleic acid is again complex food component, it is converted into the base and sugar. Okay, now first part of the human digestive system is the mouth. Here you can say it is mouth, and in the mouth is a slit. एक खांच होती है, एक ओपनिंग होती है, खुला हुआ भाग होता है विच इज सराउंडेड बाय द मूवेबल लिप्स, जो कि गतिशील होठों से घिरा हुआ होता है. तो माउथ इज अ slit which is surrounded by movable lips. In the mouth, dear student, three things are found: teeth, tongue, and saliva. Sometimes we say second part is mouth cavity, and in the mouth cavity, teeth, tongue, and saliva are found. Okay, so we will talk about these three things which is found into the mouth cavity in detail. Here you can see it is mouth cavity. These are teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. Okay. Now, first we'll talk about the teeth. Okay, you tell how many teeth are found in the adult person? Yes, right. How many? 32 teeth are found in the adult person. And on the basis of teeth, we are known as diphyodont animals. डाइफाइडोंट का मतलब होता है द्विबार दंती, यानी कि दांत जो होते हैं वो जिंदगी में कितनी बार आते हैं? 2 बार आते हैं, इसलिए हमें डाइफाइडोंट एनिमल कहा जाता है, द्विबार दंती हमें कहा जाता है. तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डाइफाइडोंट? इन द whole life span of the human being, two set of the teeth are developed: milk teeth set and the permanent teeth set. Okay. Second, we are also known as दिकोडोंट. दिकोडोंट को हिंदी में बोलते हैं गर्त दंती. गर्त का मतलब होता है गड्ढा, दंती मतलब कि दांत. दांत जो होते हैं वो गड्ढे के अंदर धसे हुए होते हैं. तो टीथ आर फिक्स्ड इन द सॉकेट ऑफ जाबोन. दांत जबड़े में बनी हुई हड्डी के सांचों के अंदर धसे हुए होते हैं, इसीलिए हमें दिकोडोंट कहा जाता है. तो decodont. Why we are known as decodont? Because teeth are fixed in the socket of the jawbone. We are also known as heterodont. हेट्रोडोंट को हिंदी में कहते हैं विषम दंती. विषम दंती मतलब अलग अलग प्रकार के दांत पाए जाते हैं. कोई कुत्ते के जैसा होता है, कोई फावड़े के जैसा होता है. ठीक है, तो अलग अलग प्रकार के दांत पाए जाते हैं, इसलिए हम हेट्रोडोंट कहते हैं. तो व्हाई वी आर नोन एज हेट्रोडोंट? बिकॉज डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ द टीथ आर फाउंड इन अवर माउथ. ओके, नाउ types of the teeth. How many types of the teeth? There are 4 types of teeth: incisor, okay, canine, premolar and molar. Incisor, canine, premolar and molar. These are 4 types of teeth are found in our mouth cavity. Okay. Now we will talk about the incisor, canine, premolar and the molar. Here you can see these are the incisor, these are the canine, these are the premolar and these are the molar. Okay, so these are, here you can see the different shape of teeth. Incisor are look different, canines are different, premolar are also different and molar are also different. Clear? Okay, now we will talk about the number of teeth. कितने दांत पाए जाते हैं? Dear students, अगर बात करें बच्चों की और वयस्क की, एडल्ट की, तो दांतों का नंबर सेम नहीं होता है. In the children, milk teeth set is found. In the adult person, permanent teeth set are found. So in the milk teeth set, total number of the teeth is 20, and in the permanent teeth set, total number of the teeth is 32. So how many total milk teeth set are found? 20. How many total permanent teeth set are found? 32. Okay. So number of incisor in the milk teeth set is 8. Number of canine in the milk teeth set is 4. Number of premolar. Dear students, premolar are not found in the milk teeth set. Just keep it in your mind. In the milk teeth set, what is not found? Premolars are not found. And how many molars are found? 8 molars are found. Okay. Now, what's about permanent teeth set? In the permanent teeth set, 8 incisor are found, 4 canines are found, 8 premolar are found, and 12 molar are found. Total how many? 32 teeth are found in the permanent teeth set. Is that clear? Okay. Now, sometime question may be asked, write the dental formula for half jaw. आधे जबड़े के लिए दंत सूत्र लिखिए. तो डेंटल फॉर्मूला फॉर मिल्क टी सेट इज 2. डेंटल फॉर्मूला फॉर मिल्क टी सेट इज 2102 upon 2102. Okay, and dental formula for the permanent T set is 2123 upon 2123. Clear है? 2 incisor in half jaw, 1 canine, 2 premolar and 3 molar. In the milk tea set, 2 incisor, 1 canine, premolar not found and molar 2 in the half jaw. So What is the dental formula for milk tea set? 2102 upon 2102. What is the dental formula for the permanent tea set? 2123 upon 2123. Is that clear? Okay, now function of teeth. You all know about the function of teeth. Teeth are used for cutting of the food. Teeth are used for grinding of the food. Teeth are used for chewing of the food. दांत जो होते हैं वो भोजन को काटने, पीसने और चबाने का क्या करते हैं? काम करते हैं. Now, second part, second thing which is found in the mouth cavity is the tongue, which is also very important organ. Tongue. Here you can see it is tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ. Taste buds are found on the tongue. On the tongue, what are found? Taste buds. Taste buds. Why the taste buds are found? To taste of our food. By the help of the taste bud, we can just get to know that something is sweet in taste, salty in taste, sour in taste, or bitter in taste. Okay. So we can get to know about the taste of our food only because of the tongue. Now, on the tongue, here you can see very small thin hair-like structures are found which are known as papillae. Papillae. Okay. On the surface of the tongue, very small thin hair-like structures are found which are known as papillae. And what is the role of the tongue? Tongue is used in mixing of food component. Tongue is used to taste of our food. Tongue is used to speak. यानी कि भोजन के कंपोनेंट्स को मिलाने के लिए, भोजन का स्वाद चखने के लिए और बोलने के लिए टंग का क्या किया जाता है? यूज किया जाता है. क्लियर है? Okay. Here you can see it is your tongue, and these are small thin hair-like structure known as papillae. And here you can see different region on the tongue by which we can taste of our food. This region is responsible for sweet taste. This region is responsible for salty taste. This region is responsible for sour taste, and this region is responsible for bitter taste. So we can take taste of different food because of the tongue. Next part of the human digestive mouth cavity is the saliva. It is the third thing which is found into the mouth cavity. Okay, saliva. Saliva, dear student, it is secreted by the salivary glands. Salivary gland के द्वारा ये secrete होता है. And how many salivary glands are found? There are 3 pair of salivary glands are found in our mouth cavity. 3 pair means how many total? 6 salivary glands are found. 1 pair of parotid gland, 1 pair of submaxillary gland, and 1 pair of sublingual gland. Clear? So 6 pair of salivary glands are found. Parotid gland, submaxillary gland, and sublingual gland. Now you can ask one question to me, sir, where the parotid gland is found, where submaxillary gland is found, and where sublingual gland is found. तो dear students, parotid gland तो found in the cheek, आपके गाल के अंदर पाई जाती है. Submaxillary gland is found into the लोअर जा, निचले जबड़े के अंदर पाई जाती है. सबलिंगुअल ग्लैंड इज फाउंड बिलो द टंग, ही आपके जीभ के नीचे पाई जाती है. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड इन दिस डायग्राम यू कैन सी द लोकेशन ऑफ द डिफरेंट salivary gland. Here you can see it is parotid gland, it is sublingual gland, and it is submandibular gland. Submandibular gland is also known as submaxillary gland. So these, it is the location of different glands. Now, what is the role of saliva? Why saliva is found into the mouth cavity? Dear student, in the saliva 2 enzymes are found. Salivary amylase enzyme and lysozyme. These are very important enzymes, dear students. Why? Because salivary amylase enzyme provide moisture to our food. ये हमारे भोजन को नमी प्रदान करता है. Question may be asked, why moisture is provided to our food? Moisture is provided to our food because walls of esophagus are very soft. Walls of esophagus are very soft. They can damage if moisture is not provided to the food. So moisture is provided to our food by the help of the salivary amylase enzyme. Is that clear? Next, function of the salivary amylase enzyme is it convert carbohydrate into the maltose sugar. ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट को माल्टोज शुगर में कन्वर्ट करता है. जब हम चपाती राइस वगैरह जो लेते हैं उनमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है, उसको माल्टोज शुगर में कन्वर्ट करता है. आपने देखा होगा, इसीलिए हमें बोला जाता है कि भाई भोजन को चबा चबा कर खाना चाहिए. क्यों खाना चाहिए भोजन को चबा चबा कर? इसलिए खाना चाहिए क्योंकि भोजन का आंशिक पाचन, पार्शियल डाइजेशन जो होता है वो माउथ के अंदर भी होता है. यानी कि माउथ कैविटी के अंदर सलाइवा जो है वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट को माल्टोज शुगर में बदल देता है. क्लियर है? इसलिए ज़्यादा देर चबाने के बाद हमें चपाती जो है वो मीठी लगने लगती है. Second enzyme, which is known as lysozyme, it is also very important enzyme and it prevent the bad breathing. Bad breathing, you know, bad breathing यानी कि बुरी दुर्गंध को रोकता है. कैसे? How? Dear students, it kill the microorganisms which are found in the mouth and in your food, and these microorganisms are responsible for the bad breathing. So ना रहेगा बांस ना बजेगी बांसुरी. मतलब कि ये माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म ही नहीं रहेंगे आपके माउथ में तो बैड ब्रीथिंग कहाँ से आएगी? तो ये माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को क्या कर देता है? किल कर देता है. क्लियर? ओके. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज pharynx. It is the next part of the human digestive system, and dear student, it is nothing but it is the combined track. It is a combined track of both food and air. यानी कि फूड एंड एयर बोथ कैन पास थ्रू इट, दोनों ही इसके अंदर से जा सकते हैं. एंड देर आर थ्री पार्ट ऑफ द pharynx: nasopharynx, oropharynx and the laryngopharynx. Dear student, nasopharynx is associated with the nasal cavity, oropharynx is associated with the oral cavity and laryngopharynx is associated with the larynx. यानी कि nasopharynx जो होता है वो nasal cavity से जुड़ा हुआ होता है, oropharynx जो होता है वो oral cavity से जुड़ा हुआ होता है और laryngopharynx किससे जुड़ा हुआ होता है? larynx से जुड़ा हुआ होता है. I think it is clear in your mind, so proceed. Here you can see it is nasopharynx, it is oropharynx and it is laryngopharynx. Clear? Next, so for today I think it is enough. You have to do your homework in your fair notebook. You can take a screenshot of the notes or you can pause the video and you can write it in your notebook. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. But and before it we should see a video. हमें एक वीडियो देख लेना चाहिए. वेट, okay, I will just see video related to buccal cavity tomorrow. Thank you, have a nice day.